See there, that's swinging. And what the crane will do is it'll lower them down, feed them into the chipper. GP trees here again. Gonna take them pines down, and 6 or so along the fence or the field, and we're gonna get after it here. Well, they came up with a plan. Put some mats down, spread the weight out, drive the truck in. Crane truck will be right behind, and they will get after it. More mats. Oh, that limb's gonna have to go. Oh well. Now it's time to drag those mats and put them up front. Then I'm guessing they will reverse order to get the truck out of here. We'll try and get some footage off and on of these guys today in operation, and we will steer clear ourselves of falling limbs and things like that. The reason why we're getting rid of these is because they make a mess on the house, and yeah. Going. Trees are coming down. So for anybody in the area or any tree company that you guys watch our videos, do any of you guys that have chippers and your own tree company, do any of you guys ever stall your chippers out on trees? And If so, how do you go about getting the chipper unplugged so you can start the engine so that you can start the chipper again? How do you go about doing that if there ever was a scenario like that? Let me know in the comment section below, please. So they got a bucket truck in front of, in front of the crane truck. Bucket truck goes along and cuts the trees, just like you can see there, that's swinging. And what the crane will do is it'll lower them down, feed them into the chipper. The chipper will turn them into didn't realize it, but GP Tree's got a crew over there. They're working, getting that all cut down. Here, I was under the impression that they only had one crew, but I guess I got more than one. Well, that's how you make easy work out of that. Man, doing a heck of a great job down here. He's gonna push move a skid loader, but I guess not. Got himself a rope. I think he's gonna use the rope to pull that stuff up in. Okay. they're still going at it. Hour is always the worst hour to do anything on the road. There they go. This looks good. Interesting.
If we get this back, we can. You can cable down right now. Yep. Whoa. Yeah. Now we need to let that crane down, cable down on that crane.
You don't think we can get a tooth under that?
Oh no, it's way too early. We're gonna have to cable down. It's almost lined up back here.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Hold on.
Hold right there, Gav.
Good job, GP Tree. Thanks for the work. Or I should say thanks for doing the work for us.